My name is Darren, I'm 34 years old, I live in Llandrindod, Wales in Powys, in mid Wales, which is a rural area. I am somebody who has Asperger's traits, and I was diagnosed when I was 19, and it's been an uphill struggle since then, but because I have traits, I feel like I can be one of these inspirational people to help people and things like that. Because my job is, I work in People First, which is a self-advocacy organisation, which helps people with learning disabilities speak up and campaign for their rights. No, in my spare time, I spend weekends and most evenings. I try and, when I'm working, I come home, I see my daughter, because my daughter is, my mum lives next door to me, so I get to regularly see her, and I regularly get to spend time and do things with her, which is important for me, because family is totally important, and she's very important. I mean, I've tried to get myself into full-time employment, because now I have 2 children. It feels like that I should be more of a father and start providing for them for a future. I currently work with an organisation called Shaw Trust, who's helping me look into work. I want to go into retail because I love that sort of work. You get to work with a load of other people and customers, and you get to talk to people, and it's great rewarding knowing that people come in and want to buy stuff and that you're providing a good service. A lot of stuff that the Welsh Assembly, like the devolved powers that they got, like health, social care, even transport, because we find that in rural areas is a bit of an issue, is that you should be voting so you get the right sort of person for you to be your AM, and making sure that you get the best for your life.